Start by digging a standard pothole. Nice hole. GL fixtures don't take up the whole space, so pack gravel around the sleeve to keep things level and let water move. A little gravel at the bottom sets the base and keeps the fixture from sitting in mud. The sleeve is technically for concrete, but it's clutch for turf and gravel installs. It gives you space to stash extra wire, and if you ever need to work on the fixture, you can pull it straight up without digging. Set the height right, low enough to stay out of the mower's way, high enough that clippings and dirt don't bury it. About a ½ inch to an inch above grade is the sweet spot. Backfill the gap with more gravel. Drop in the lamp. This job's using the BT Ally MR16 color-changing bulb. Lock the top down with the screws, tightening a little at a time and alternating sides so you don't warp anything. Cover the gravel with dirt and you're good to go.